What if Attio CRM updated itself every time someone filled out a form, sent an email, or closed a deal somewhere else? No copy-pasting, no missed leads, no manual entry. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make that happen by connecting Attio with viaSocket. But first, a quick word on Attio. Attio is a modern AI-native CRM built for go-to-market teams. It helps you organize contacts, manage customer relationships, and keep your sales pipeline up to date. Let's get started inside viaSocket. First, open the viaSocket website. Go to the Explore Apps page and search for Attio. Here you can explore Attio along with 2,200 plus other apps that connect through viaSocket. As you scroll through Attio, you'll find ready-to-use automations, plus powerful triggers and actions to automate almost any workflow. Now head over to your viaSocket dashboard and open your workspace. Click on Create Flow manually. Select Google Forms as our trigger. Here you can see many triggers, but for our use case, we'll choose the new form response as the trigger. Next, connect your Google account. Select your account from which you have made the Google form. After the connection is complete, choose the Google form you want to monitor. Now, click on the Test button to fetch a response and save this step. With the trigger configured, it's time to add the action. Click on the plus button and then search for Attio and select it. Here are the available actions. You can choose any of them, but according to our use case, we will choose the Create Record action. Now click on the connection, select Add New Connection, and review the used scopes and click Confirm. Once the connection is established, click on Done. Click on the object type and select accordingly, but in our case, we will select People. Now map the fields from your Google form to the corresponding fields in Attio. Map the name field, map the email address, map the description, map the job title. You can also map any additional fields required for your workflow. Once everything is mapped, click Test to get the sample response and save your workflow. Click on Go Live, run your flow on existing data. Now your flow is published successfully.
Now, whenever a new Google form response is submitted, viaSocket will automatically create a new people record in Attio with all the mapped information, eliminating manual data entry and keeping your CRM up to date in real time. Attio becomes even more powerful when it's connected with the rest of your business tools. Here are a few ways teams use viaSocket to automate their workflows. When a new person is added to Attio, automatically send a Slack notification. When a company record is updated in Attio, sync the latest information to Google Sheets. When a new record is created in Attio, automatically send a personalized email. Start connecting your apps, automate your workflow, and let viaSocket handle the rest. Until next time, keep automating with viaSocket.